Hey guys, we are Vlad
Katrina.
and we would like to invite you into our home to take a quick tour of our 23-footer fifth wheel hitch beauty trailer that we call what? It's been a long day, guys. We apologize. You're just tired. It's cool. We've been up for a long time.
He's tired.
We call her TeLene. TeLene is short for Terrence and Chalene, who are good friends that we met here in the Northwest Pacific. Really great people. And we just said, because they helped us a lot. Like when we moved the trailer here, they had come over, and Terrence was like, "I got you, Vlad," and like cleaned the kitchen, all the cabinets, like the floors, the bathroom, like what? And then Chalene, as you'll see, we have cushions. She brought over the steam cleaner and just went to town. So we wanted to show our appreciation by naming this beauty TeLene. So come and follow us and we'll show you TeLene. Alright, baby. Go ahead. Oh, and that's Snowy. If you don't know who that is, meet Snowy, the kitty. Hi, Snowy. You're gonna have to back up so we can show everybody what we got going on in our house. Alright, baby. Lead the way. Alright, so we're gonna turn some lights on here for you guys so you can see what we got going on. Yep. No, this one goes on, and then this one should go on.
Which one?
This one? There we go. Alright, so we're gonna start here, right to the left of the door. We have your basic setup, with the cabinets. Double sink. This is really interesting about this here because this came from the old house, but it wasn't mine or Katrina's. And we actually bought one, and it was just too big for the sink, so I went back and I said, yo, to my friend Josh, I said, could we try yours? And we brought it over, and it fits perfect, so we said, hey, thanks for letting us have this. We're going to give you the bigger one, which is actually really, really nice. So, fair trade. Or whatever.
It's fair.
So anyways, we got the nice basic kitchen setup. Instead of taking cabinet space, we decided to put our cups up here. These here can be used as cutting boards, but they also go over the sink.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, you see this? This is the record player. And I got this record player because I won it just by being a member of that radio station in Milwaukee. Whoop whoop! 91.7, we see you, we still love you, even out here in the Northwest Pacific. Here, just a cabinet, right? Where the microwave sleep. Oh, just knocking everything over, aren't I? Alright, anyways, here is where we have our stove, correct, baby? Unfortunately for us, we can't get it running yet, even though we have the propane gas. Still working on trying to figure out how that is, but we'll get there. Here's our fridge and freezer. As you can see, they're pretty decent size. I'm going to go ahead and open them up. I'm going to show you everything that's in there, but you can see it's pretty good size. Can fit a lot of stuff. Go ahead and open the freezer, babe. Bam, we even got some ice packets and stuff, for ice and stuff. So anyways, here's our living room setup. So we have a couch. And then we have a table with, seating. Makes you feel like you literally just walked up on the train, like you're just sitting. You have this area seat you can chill and hang out, and then you have this area where you can eat. For those of you who are very aware, yes, we do have two TVs. This is a TV I already had. This TV actually came with this trailer. So now we're trying to sell this one. So, anyways, got our key hooks, got our Go Pack Go, got our horn, good for drinking the mead and the ales and all that good stuff. Got some more cabinets. So up here we got all of our food. Up here we got all of our not food, stuff. I got a mirror. Kind of wish we could unattach it because I have plenty of other stuff that can go there. But, a mirror's a mirror. Got all of our cabinets. Now, you're probably wondering, what's back here? So I'm going to back up. And would you like to show everybody what's back there?
Bathroom?
The bathroom, really? And turn the light on so we could see what we got going on. We have a perfectly, really good, nice medicine cabinet. We got a compost toilet with double. Now you're probably like, this is new to me. What is this all about? Well, would you like to explain it?
Well, you press the small lever to fill it up with water, and the other one to flush it down.
To flush it down. Would you like to show them what happens when you press the small lever?
Sure. First you go potty in there.
Okay.
So it's potty, and then you press this one.
So what does the small one do?
Fills it with water.
Why do we need to fill it with water?
Well, if you went poopy, you need that much water. And,
Okay.
and then you flush it down like this.
Okay.
But if you went pee-pee, you only need a little bit of water.
Right. Okay, perfect. So, so where does this stuff go?
It goes outside. It goes down to the sewer pipe thingy.
Okay. So is it just going one tank or two tanks?
I think 2 tanks.
Okay, so what are those tanks called?
There's the black water and the gray water.
Okay, so what's the difference between the black water and gray water for people who don't know?
Well, black water is poopy and pee-pee, and gray water is like stuff we wash, like leftover sink water and leftover bath water, leftover brushing teeth water. So
Okay, so yeah, we do have 2 tanks, and we could show you that in a follow-up video, how the outside works. We just wanted to give you an interior look. So now you have that. We have cabinets here. We have perfectly good counter space. The sink, the bathroom sink, some of Katrina's beautiful artwork, which I love, and was like, this needs to go up. All right. Do we want to show people? Well, first of all, this beautiful curtain,
this is
gorgeous. But let's show people what's behind that curtain. Wow. So
we have a bathtub too.
So it's like a. Wow. So we have, check this out, guys. We have a 23-foot Hitch, fifth wheel Hitch, bathroom, or I'm sorry, trailer, and we have a bathtub. So we could literally sit on this or scrunch up in there and take a bath. How great is that? Okay, that's awesome. So let me back up. What is that? What's behind the curtain?
Let me turn the light.
What's behind the curtain?
Wait, hold on. Okay. Let's hit this way.
Oh.
So you can see our arch.
So what is this?
This is our bedroom.
This is our bedroom.
So this is a full size mattress. We had a queen size, but it took up quite a lot of room. And so the kitty likes to go over there. And then we have our art. You can come in so you can see our art. We're still kind of new, so we have a lot of storage here, but we'll find a place for that stuff eventually. But there's Love You to the Moon. We found that Vlad found that picture yesterday while we were working, which is pretty cool, and we put it there. There's the glass that looks really pretty when the sun comes through it. It's very pretty. I know all this stuff is covering it. Usually it doesn't. And then there's this picture too.
And I actually got that from my friend Elizabeth, who was trying to find a place to take this painting, and I said, this is gorgeous. And she said, well, why don't you have it for you and Katrina? And I said, oh, no, I couldn't possibly. And then at some point it became a gift, and here it is. So here, that's the tour of our home. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. We are definitely going to have a lot more follow-up videos because for us, this whole experience is still fairly new. And so because the experience is still fairly new, and because this trailer is a 1991 Nomad Weekender, down go the apples.
It's real fruit too. It's not fake fruit.
Right. They're as good a shape as it looks, and it is. It is in pretty good shape. There are some things that still need to be done, and we can do. We will do like renovation and all kinds of other follow-up videos when we start doing those. We've already done some, like Katrina said. We did replace the bed. We had a queen-size bed, and it was excessive.
Yeah, there's no room in there at all.
And we wanted to have room because we still had stuff and no cabinets to put it. I know, right? Downsized minimalist, right? But we don't actually have that much stuff. But as you could see yourself, there's really not a lot
Room
of
for much anything.
Yeah, there's really not much of anything, in cabinet space anyway. So, so we just decided, we looked at it and we were like, well, a full-size bed would still have plenty of room, and we can move it around. So Katrina, who sleeps on the inside of the bed, doesn't have to be right up against the wall that's like this, and then gets up and bumps her head, and then Snowy here could have more room to do her thing, and we still have room to put all of our stuff. So we thought that was a cool thing. So right now what we'll do is we'll end the video by showing you just like a little bit of an outside view of exterior, how it looks from exterior, and then in the next videos we'll have things that we're gonna do on the inside and outside, and we'll also show you, if we can open up all the cabinets, the stuff on the outside. The only other thing that we forgot to show you is two things. Is when we first moved in this particular area, there was...
Oh, you go ahead.
No, go ahead.
Well, there was the cabin. There was a door here and then a divider here. So
why did we take that out?
It was your idea.
Okay, so it was my idea, and then Josh actually helped me take it out. But why did we do that?
To give Snowy a place to put her litter box and all her little kitty stuff.
Right, so we have the cat food and the litter and the bags and all that stuff. Now, are we just going to leave it open like that, or are we going to put something over
We're
it?
going to add a curtain.
Yeah, so we're thinking about putting in a curtain for Snowy, so, people don't have to watch her do her business.
And she doesn't have to get watched. Kitties don't like that.
Right.
She wants her privacy, she said.
And then the other thing that we want to show you guys is what, babe? What do we want to show them?
What? Oh, gosh. Oh, the radio. Yeah.
So we do have a radio that's built in, which is a rare feature.
No?
Turn it up.
Oh.
Now it could go a lot louder, but we don't want to blast the neighbor's ears. This part of the video might be blocked out due to the, not having rights to the music, but, So once again, guys, this is our beautiful trailer, TeLene. We really are excited to start this journey that we call Downsized Minimalists, Downsized Minimalism. And we're looking forward to sharing future experiences with you. And we're going to end the video just by showing you the look from the outside.
Okay.
Alrighty, guys. Love ya. Take care.